A solar company worked from a very extensive and heavily used opportunity page layout. They needed to track all of the information related to installing solar panels for clients, including customer information, electrical permits, install dates, and more. The cluttered layout made capturing the information relevant to each stage more confusing and time-consuming than it needed to be. To solve this issue, Fast Slow Motion created quick actions to dynamically display only the fields relevant to the opportunity stage. We then created an app for a profile they use called Project Management and gave it a lightning page layout, and we also created a page with their full layout. This allowed the client to go back and forth between the two during testing, allowing them to test and provide feedback with no disruptions. This also prevented the need for building a large change set in another environment that would later have to be pushed to production. On the Opportunity Lightning page that we created for the Project Management profile, we added the quick actions that we built to the page layout and set the component visibility to only display on the appropriate stage. Now the client has a streamlined opportunity process that clearly communicates what information needs to be captured in each stage, giving the client a higher level of efficiency and accuracy in their sales process. At Fast Slow Motion, we've helped hundreds of growing businesses improve their operations and deliver better results by implementing and enhancing Salesforce. For more information about us, please visit fastslowmotion.com and be sure to read our client reviews on AppExchange.